10 levels away from level 500. So, no. Pulsing ghost reactor. That's easy. Complete obstacle course. Hold up. Go for a walk. There we go. Eat food. Kind of. Not working. Obstacle course. The obstacle course, so I can do the obstacle course. That's green, isn't it? There's no other obstacle course. Is there? Wait, is there an obstacle course at all? In any map?
The obstacle course is competitive.
It's not just in competitive.
It is?
No, it isn't.
I just did it. I did it earlier on.
Yeah, in beach, right?
No.
Oh, in competitive, that obstacle course. Right. Hold up. Okay, right. Need to go to Ghost Guy, or I could go into. I could eat food. Wait, hold up. And it doesn't even work. Yeah, I have a cupcake. Let's try the 4th birthday cupcake. There we go. I need to do 3 more things. Yes, I do need to.
It's just such a fun day.
2 more. Right.
Play different
What was that?
games in different maps.
I need to do breakables. Alright.
I thought something in the background was playing there.
I need to destroy breakables. Yeah, no, don't mind.
So yeah, happy birthday, Lemming.